Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will see how to set up a Choropleth map. The Choropleth map allows you to color the required areas in proportion to the provided values. To add a Choropleth map, click on the map icon. Now that we have an empty map, we need to associate the map shapes with the corresponding data source attribute. Each map shape has a set of attributes, such as the name of the country, the ISO code, the SOV code. By clicking on the Preview button, we see the table containing all the available attributes. We have to select the attribute corresponding to the values in our data source. In our case, we want to link the attribute with the name. Let's add the sales amount field to the map values. The sales will be displayed for each country. By clicking on the sigma sign, we can change the colors of the map. We can select the start color and the end color of the palette, and if needed, you can even configure each color on the right side of the window by clicking on Allow Edit. We can change the number of levels and choose if we want to use percent or absolute scales. Most of the time you will need percent scale that will be automatically recalculated according to the data displayed in your dashboard. We can add more information with the measures. For example, I want to see how many stores there are in each country and the number of sales representatives. I drag and drop these fields into the measures. And now we have this information in the tooltips. We can configure our map by clicking on the cogwheel and make some changes in the Layout tab. We can change the title, the tooltip measures, and also the name of the views. Lock or unlock the navigation. But the most important part is the labels. Here we can add a title attribute, like the name of the countries, and also display the indicator values for each country by checking Include Summary Value. At last, we can add the color legend on the map and choose its position. We can have multiple views of the map presenting different measures. To do it, drag another field in the values zone. We have a new view on the same map. We can set the color range independently for this new map by clicking on the sigma sign. Let's have a look now at another type of map, the delta map. If we click on the sigma sign next to the empty value field, we can switch the map type to delta. After we click on OK, the data field box is changed. We can drag sales amount in actual and sales objective in target. To see this map, click on the Layer button in the top right corner to switch to this new map. This map indicates the difference between the target values and the actual values. The countries that exceed their target are colored in green, and the countries that did not reach their target are in red. When we look at the tooltip, the absolute variation is displayed. We can change this value when clicking on the delta sign. We can choose the value to be displayed and also the type of result indication. To learn more about all the available functionalities, refer to the online documentation.